Hello, and welcome to the Arduino camp. I'm First Lieutenant Melissa Schaefer, and I'll be one of your instructors. I'm from the Air Force Research Lab up here in Rome, New York, and I'm here with my colleague, Mr. Logan Pro.
Hey, my name is Logan Pro. I'm an associate computer scientist, also at the Air Force Research Lab here in Rome, New York. All right, in order to install the Arduino IDE, first you want to open up a web browser and browse to elegoo.com, like you can see in the address bar up there. At the top of the web page, you can see a download button. Go ahead and click on that download button. This will give you a list of options. You'll want to look for the Arduino IDE for Windows, and then click that to download it. This will give you a zip file. Go ahead and wait for it to download, and then once it's done, you'll be able to extract it and install the program. All right, go ahead and open it up. And then double click the Arduino for Windows.exe. If it asks you to extract it, go ahead and extract everything. All right, go ahead and open up the folder it extracts and then try to run it once more. If it asks whether you'd like to allow it to make changes, go ahead and click yes. Carefully read the license agreement, and once you're finished, click I agree. Click next, and then click install. All right, once it's done, go ahead and click close. At this point, you can go ahead and go to the start button, and then under recently added programs, you should see the Arduino IDE. And there you have it. This is the software that you'll use to program your Arduino over the next few days.